With the Dixie hanging on for dear life, do you think that crypto and risk on assets will have a bullish momentum coming up, especially crypto coming up to the Bitcoin halving next year, April? What do you guys think? And I would love to hear what you guys think down below. But if you want to watch everything that I have to share with you about that exact prediction of mine, make sure to stay right to the very end of this video so that you guys can see exactly what I believe will happen here in the market. And in the meantime, you can see here, there is a bit of resistance in alignment with the 200 plus my horizontal resistance up here at the green line. Do I think the dollar is going to get above there? No, I think the dollar might pump up to there at the very most, make a new lower high, and then continue its move probably back down to here before a little bounce up and then a continuation pattern. Let me know what you guys think in the video. Make sure to stay right to the very end, like and subscribe. Also, we'll see you inside. How's it going? What's up and what's happening there? Blessed, beautiful, and benevolent souls. Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show here today. Today we have awesome and exciting news here for you on the channel. So make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when I do such awesome videos for you guys just like this. And that will make us feel more powerful than ever before as a community together. So thanks for being here. Happy Monday. And let's get started on the video today. So guys, other than that, a lot of very powerful and energetical stuff happening here in the market. So let's not waste any time. I've got a lot of content to get out for you guys today and over the next few days. So make sure to stay tuned to my channel and enjoy the time with me as a community. I did get to some of my responses yesterday for you guys, so I will carry on with my responses over the next couple days. But thanks for being here on the channel, of course, every day in every single wonderful way, guys. On the cryptocurrency market cap today, we are sitting at $1.251 trillion, and we're up 1.3% for the day. We're up at 36 billion in trading volume, and currently Bitcoin is still above $30,000, which is wonderful. Okay, so $30,668 today. Ethereum is just trying to reach for that 2K level today, so I'm very happy about that. And we'll touch base on Ethereum in a little moment in this video. BNB at 249, XRP at 48 cents, Lido 1966, Cardano 29 cents, Dogecoin 68 cents, Litecoin 112.24, and Solana's pumped up to nearly $20 once again. So today in the Fear and Greed Index, we're sitting at 62 from yesterday's 63. So not much change in that, but we do have a shit ton of coins that have absolutely obliterated the market and pumped like crazy. Filecoin this morning, I mean, I woke up to Filecoin this morning making a 15% pump. Bits, the BitGet token, the Bybit token, Bit is up 17%. Flow is up. GRT is pumping, guys. There's a lot of coins that are in the market today that are pumping. I mean, Pepe still continues to pump. I don't know why, but it is. So lots of cool things in the market. Guys, the news for the week ahead today in the market, S&P manufacturing PMI comes out today. ISM today as well. Tomorrow is Tuesday. It's the 4th of July. So it's a public holiday across the board for all markets pretty much. So we might not see much there. And then ADP employment numbers come out on Wednesday. So that will be very interesting to see that, because obviously that kind of stuff normally comes out on Friday, which is over there. So ADP tomorrow, on Wednesday, going to make the market move. Factory orders going to make the market move. The minutes of the Fed June FOMC meeting will be done on Wednesday as well. That will make the market move. Initial jobless claims, trade deficit, job openings. This week is going to be busy with news and volatility. Now, guys, remember, news is one aspect. News is noise. Noise. Trading charts make money. Okay, so if you ignore the noise in the interim while you are trading, you will actually become an extraordinarily successful trader. Now, in trading, we care about the news to a degree, but we actually don't care about it when we're trading. Why is that? Because when we're trading, we're looking at the chart and we're either going long or we're going short. There's nothing else that we're doing. There is literally nothing else that we are doing. And that is the most powerful thing about the markets and trading, is that you can trade very well regardless of the noise that is coming out, regardless of the news that is coming out. And essentially right now, US employment report and the US unemployment rate and US hourly wages will be on Friday, which is going to be absolutely powerful and incredibly amazing. Guys, I got a lot of stuff to show you, but I'm only going to show you a few things on today's video. So in today's chart, look at this. This is the Coinbase chart that I have been using quite a bit lately. My target is all the way up here at the 35 to 38,000 level, although my 38,000 level is that target that I would like to see Bitcoin hit before any strong sort of retracel back down. Now, for me, this is powerful, and I would like to see that energy flow in a little bit more here on these charts. And let's go and see if we can have a look at the dominance. Yes, look at the dominance. The dominance is showing us the same thing. Now, one thing I've found about the dominance here is that the dominance is currently pulling a kind of a W sort of pattern here, as well as a W pattern here, which we have broken out at this neckline. And that's where my target was, essentially up here, up at the 57 to 58% level. Now, do I believe it's going to hit there? Yeah, I do believe so, but I don't believe that we're going to just go straight up, continue to go straight up there, especially because the RSI currently is a little bit overbought. Now, let us go and have a look at my current trading chart. Guys, we have been in a sideways range literally from this moment over here, this level, and as well as this level. Boom. Okay. So that is the range currently on Bitcoin, right? So we're just bouncing in between this zone right now. And essentially, we're going to have to make some sort of confirmation whether we go up or down. Now, this is the 200 moving average. You can see it's kind of starting to flatten out. If we essentially fall below it and close some candles below it, I do believe that our next target down will just at least be coming back down to this 29,000 level. Okay. Now, let us go and have a look at this is my usual chart that I always showed you guys. You can see that we broke out, we hit the target. Look at that, how perfectly we hit the target of the wedge pattern, right? Now, honestly, we're building a bull flag pattern here, and I've shown this to you guys a number of times. So it doesn't mean that it's going to happen, but the likelihood of its potential happening is a lot more. What is going on here? Is a lot higher than some of the other charts. Okay, let me just refresh that. I'm not sure why it's just doing that to me. Okay, but I want to go and have a look at it on the daily. Okay, and there you go. So there's the pattern. Okay, so not quite, but there you go. Okay, so there's the pattern right now. And remember, I said to you guys that if we do get a bull flag pen or bull pennant breakout, that the target would come more or less to the 37K level. I've been speaking about this 37K level for some months now. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. And if you guys, if you want to trade this with me, then and I just want full disclosure to my community. I'm in a long Ethereum, I'm in a long Bitcoin, and I'm in a long optimism. So, and those are just my trades at the moment. Now, do I think that Ethereum is going to continue to pump? Yes, it hasn't even reached this target from the bull breakout. Okay, so we essentially would like to see Ethereum come up here to about the 2032 level before any sort of retracement back. Now, the reason for the title and the entire video content that I have shown you is the dollar kind of really failing or collapsing? Well, guess what? This here tells me that this is a highly manipulated market, and the swing trade of this was absolutely manipulated. Now, for me, I do see that we could come up to this level here, although personally, I don't believe that we're going to hit that kind of, let me just clear this chart here, guys, for us. So I do believe that that is the potential target. Now, guess what? I drew this for you guys a little while ago. If we broke out of this line, that we would probably hit this level. Now, look at the crazy levels of resistance. Now, I'd actually want to go and just delete this and this, because the dollar is falling, guys, whether you like it or not. So there's resistance here, there's resistance there, resistance. So there is a number of levels of resistance right now. And essentially, we're reaching that same level of resistance as I previously drawn there for you guys. The RSI is oversold. So for me, I do believe that it's probably time for this dollar to start kind of pulling back here, maybe do something like this, and then break down to the, not so far down. So kind of do this, break down to this level first, then retest back here, and then come down. It's not a one move kind of boom, just drop to the floor kind of scenario, unless there's something very heavy like a black swan event that comes into the market. But guys, the dollar is definitely going down. It's under the 200 on the daily moving average. There's now a huge amount of pressure. And essentially, when that happened to Bitcoin, and you can see that on the daily time frame over here, when we were under the 200 moving average, when we came under the 200 moving average, we literally stayed down, and we have been down. We collapsed down even further. So whenever you're under the 200 moving average, that's telling us that it's time to go down. This is the ETH BTC pair. We're coming up to a level of resistance. Like I said to you guys previously, I did sell my Bitcoin down here for my Ethereum, and my Ethereum trade is now doing exceptionally well. And I have now increased my Ethereum position by nearly 6% because of this trade over the past few days. And essentially, I will be continuing to wait patiently to look at what the rest of this will be telling me in a short little moment. Because guys, look, we're continuing to pump. I mean, we're continuing to reach up for that level. Now, on the daily, we're coming to an overbought perspective, but it doesn't mean we can't continue up. Because essentially, we could continue like this, and what this did, while it pushed up for a little bit. Do I think it's going to do that? Yeah, I do think that it will probably come and at least retest this 200, as I previously said on my videos. So make sure to go and watch that there. Guys, if you want to trade these coins with me, make sure to hit my Bybit link down below. Yeah, we'll give you a $30,000 deposit bonus. And of course, my Bitflex link, my BitGet link down below will also give you a $50 deposit bonus. Now, thanks for being here with me on the channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Appreciate you. Please also remember to give the video a thumbs up. I would love to see 10 thumbs up on the video. And let's make sure to make some noise for the channel. I would love to let me know if you guys think that the dollar is going to fall, and when do you think the dollar will collapse by? I would love to hear what your views and your opinions are in the meantime. Until the next video, make sure to watch this one, because this one is going to be even better than this one. Thank you for being here with me, my special community. Appreciate every single one of you. And make sure, if you are in the Bitcoin trade right now, that every single time that it pulls back, you just lower your order position value, your price entry, and then you wait patiently. Okay, enjoy. Thanks for being here on the channel. We'll see you on the next one.